G20 के प्रेसिडेंट के तौर पर भारत पूरी दुनिया का आह्वान करता है कि हम मिलकर सबसे पहले इस ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट को एक विश्वास, एक भरोसे में बदलें।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered the inaugural address at the G20 summit at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi on Saturday. The nameplate kept in front of the Prime Minister read Bharat instead of India. This comes days after a huge controversy broke out over the change of name from India to Bharat in the dinner invitation from President Draupadi Murmu to foreign leaders attending the G20 summit this weekend. PM Modi addressed all the world leaders at the onset of the G20 summit.
G20 के प्रेसिडेंट के तौर पर भारत पूरी दुनिया का आह्वान करता है कि हम मिलकर सबसे पहले इस ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट को एक विश्वास, एक भरोसे में बदलें। यह हम सभी के साथ मिलकर चलने का समय है और इसलिए सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबका प्रयास का मंत्र हम सभी के लिए एक पथ प्रदर्शक बन सकता है। वैश्विक अर्थव्यवस्था में उथल-पुथल हो, नॉर्थ और साउथ का डिवाइड हो, ईस्ट और वेस्ट की दूरी हो, फूड, फ्यूल और फर्टिलाइजर का मैनेजमेंट हो, टेररिज्म और साइबर सिक्योरिटी हो, हेल्थ, एनर्जी और वाटर सिक्योरिटी हो, वर्तमान के साथ ही आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए हमें इन चुनौतियों के ठोस समाधान की तरफ बढ़ना ही होगा।
On Friday, the United Nations said that it will change India's name to Bharat in UN records when New Delhi completes all the formalities for the same. United Nations Secretary General's chief spokesperson Stefan Dujarric said that when India completes the formalities to change the name, they will change it at the UN records. As the debate was triggered ahead of the upcoming special session of the parliament, the agenda of which is yet to be disclosed, it prompted unconfirmed reports that a change of name could be discussed and passed during the session. While the members of the ruling BJP suggested that the name Bharat should take primacy over India, opposition leaders termed it a distraction, saying that Bharat is already mentioned in the constitution. However, PM Modi told his ministerial colleagues on Wednesday to avoid the political row around the Bharat issue, noting that it has been the country's ancient name. The preamble to the English version of the constitution starts with the words, "We the people of India," and then in part 1 of the document it states, "India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states." In Hindi, the constitution replaces India with Bharat everywhere except the part defining the country's names, which says in Hindi, "Bharat, that is India, shall be a union of states." Changing India's name to only Bharat would require an amendment to the constitution, which would need to be passed by a 2/3 majority in both houses of the parliament.